Tired of messy phone numbers in your Excel spreadsheets? Let's fix that. In this quick tutorial, we'll transform these chaotic entries into perfectly formatted phone numbers, making your data clean and professional. First, select the column containing your phone numbers. You can click the column letter at the top, or click and drag to select multiple columns if needed. Now, right-click anywhere within your selection from the context menu that appears, choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, navigate to the Number tab here. You'll see various categories. Click on Custom from the list of categories on the left. In the Type field, you'll see whatever format is currently applied. We need to replace this with our desired phone number format. For a standard US phone number format like XXX-XXX-XXX, type these characters into the type box, open parenthesis, 3 zeros, close parenthesis, a space, 3 zeros, a hyphen, and then for zeros so, you'll type 00000. If you prefer a different format, like -1, simply type 3 zeros, a hyphen, 3 zeros, a hyphen, and for zeros into the type field, so 00000. Once you've entered your preferred format, click OK. And there you have it, all your phone numbers are now consistently formatted, making your data much more readable and professional. Practice this simple trick, and your spreadsheets will thank you.